Molina Sunbury Pavers, we're here. Old Chicago Clay in West Palm. You can see. So these clay pavers, the customer already ordered, and we're just going ahead and installing them for her. We already put the base rock down. So with this area over here, I'll show you. We're repairing. This section is already installed. We have some work here. This travertine is going to be installed in the back area, right over here. We repaired this section already. This walkway was all collapsing, so we're repairing that as well. There was a concrete slab here that we cut as well. Installed the Old Chicago, repairing. And then there's some mason sand that we'll be using. We'll be using that mason sand to mix, because with Old Chicago clay, you have to make sure that you combine and mix a proper amount of cement and sand so that it locks into place. So here we go. You see, we're gonna be installing travertine all through this area here, travertine here, and every single step will have travertine on each one of these concrete slabs. You'll see travertine here, you'll see travertine there, and then we're also going to wrap this step here with travertine. So you see here, this entire step is going to be travertine. Let me just show you what it's a small little area, but we're going to make it look amazing. See there? You're going to see that all travertine. And if you look here as well, it has these little drain holes. So when we bring up the elevations of the travertine is 1.25 inches plus, let's say 1/4 inch of concrete screening, we're gonna have to drill holes again in the concrete so that the water can pitch out. Because if not, you'll have water issues. Okay. And then we are also doing the pool. We just installed the skimmer here, poured the concrete. The skimmer was leaking, so the water line was sinking because of the leakage. We already repaired that. Then we'll be doing the pool resurfacing and all the coping as well. So you're gonna see a whole transformation of something that's ugly, I consider, to something amazing and beautiful. So you'll see the quality. Give us a call, Molina Sunbury Pavers. Check me out, molinasunburypavers.com. I'll be on TikTok, Facebook, Twitter. I'll get all that information sent out. Thank you so much for everybody that's following me. Let's give me a lot of work. I love it. Thank you.